The camp of the dismissed Bamban mayor defended her reaction during the previous Senate hearing after she was accused again of being a Chinese spy. They insisted that she lost her cool because the accusations were the reason behind her death threats. Here's the report.
Despite the accusations and scoldings from senators for weeks, dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo was always observed as calm in the previous Senate hearings. Sometimes she would smile, which irks some senators. That was until the recent House Quad Committee hearing on Friday.
Kasi po, ganun din po yung nangyari last time. Sinasabi po nila spy ako. Mahal ko pong Pilipinas, Filipino po ako, hindi po ako spy.
Guo lost her cool after an Al Jazeera documentary reported that she is a Chinese spy. This is based on the claims of a Chinese spy named Shi Zhejiang, who is now detained in Thailand. She quickly denied the documentary's claims and expressed plans to sue the Chinese spy for his claims against her. Guo's legal counsel, attorney Stephen David, said his client's emotional response was caused by her fear of death threats. He said the death threats were rooted from the Chinese spy allegations.
Yan na nga ang nagsisimula yung mga death threats sa kanya, binabalik na naman. So ngayon, binabalik na naman yung issue dyan. O na naman gusto na mangyari, dadami na naman yung mga threats sa kanya. Kasi nag-die down na nga yung issue na yan eh. Ewan ko, gumagawa na naman sila ng panibagong issue para pag-usapan na naman sila.
David also expressed doubt if Shi Zhejiang is actually a real person.
Kaya sabi sa akin, yung tao na yan, di naman totoong tao, artificial creation, AI daw yan.
Pero naniniwala ka na AI created lang yon?
Hindi, kasi dapat ilabas nila, di ba? Kung totoong tao yan, i-cross-exam mo yun, ilabas mo yan para matanong natin, di ba? Ano ba talaga?
The National Security Council also said that Shi's statements should be investigated first to avoid disinformation.
Oo, kasi Al Jazeera docu to eh. So they have to check it out carefully muna. Oo. Even the government's behaving very prudently regarding itong ano. Pero iba talaga yung naging reaction niya.
Sabi nakakulong daw itong Shi
Thailand?
Zhejiang na to.
Thailand ba?
Oo, doon dahil wanted nga siya before doon sa yung mga criminal.
Spy din siya, di ba?
Yun ang sinasabi. Pero yung during the hearing last Friday, yung demeanor ni Alice Guo na palatawa, na palangiti, na iba nung pinalabas yung docu na yan. Parang gulat siya na galit na hindi mo maintindihan.
It's either kinabahan siya or napikon na siya. So we don't know.
Kasi up to this time, sinasabi niya, di ba, I am a Filipino, I love my country, yan ang sinasabi niya. So parang sinasabi niya, hindi ako yan, or hindi naman sa hindi ako yan, parang unfair daw. Dahil sabi nga rin ni Attorney Stephen David, yung mga death threats nang gagaling dahil dyan sa usapin na Chinese spy siya.
Hihingin natin na statement to, di ba? Kahit naka-detain siya doon sa kabilang bansa, video statement, video call, mag-request tayo sa Thai government. Very close tayo sa tayo.
Kasi may accusations na naman AI naman daw ito, no? Yung Shi Zhejiang ba yun?
Oo. Ang AI kasi may actor na tunay yan, tapos pinapatungan ng ibang mukha. Pwedeng ganun eh.
Grabe naman. Base, parang
pelikula
palalim na ng palalim itong issue na to at iba't ibang mga personality na yung nakikita natin. Iba't ibang characters na yung pumapasok.
Ito nangyayaring Alice Guo saga para itong Born Identity yung movie. Oo, di ba?
Parang akala mo sa movie mo lang ngayon,
diba,
makikita mo na sa totoo.
Si Jason Bourne may missing identity. Ina-accuse siya bang maging spy. Hindi naman niya alam spy siya.
Anong sinabi ni Salt? Diba? A spy will never claim that she is a spy.
And Salt never knew she was a spy hanggang na-trigger siya.
Parang sleeper cell siya.
Diba?
Ano ba yan? Parang masyado ng pelikula yan. Pero importante, maimbestigahan. Dahil kung totoo, let's say for example, diba, totoo na Chinese spy siya, nakakatakot din that they do this pala. Diba? Kung hindi naman, dapat malinaw din kung hindi totoo ito.
We have to clarify this once and for all.
At ano yung mga batas na kailangan natin gawin para maiwasan na ulit mangyari itong mga klaseng insidente.
Confidential budget pa more.